Hello everyone, I'm Neha Vashisht and you're watching Zee Business. Today I have a very cool product with me and it's not a smartphone. Today I have the all new Dyson Airwrap multi-styler with me. So without any further ado, let's review it and see if it's worth the hype or not. So first and foremost, let's talk about the packaging of the product. The packaging looks quite classy and it's quite sturdy and it can fit all the attachments inside. However, if you want to carry it in your handbag, it might not be possible as it's quite heavy when it comes to the weight. Now let's get inside the box. The one I have has 6 attachments for different purposes, one base with power cord attached and a filter cleaner. The price of this whole package is 45,900 rupees. When it comes to the attachments, it has 2 curling barrels of different sizes, 1 firm smoothing brush, 1 volumizing brush, 1 soft smoothing brush and 1 Coanda smoothing dryer. If we talk about the base, it has different temperature controls and fan speeds as well. When it comes to the usage, it's pretty simple to use. It does not burn you like open curling tongs as you don't have to touch it. New Airwrap doesn't have left and right barrels like it used to. Instead, it has one single barrel that can be used as both. The brushes are for thick and thin hair both, for straightening and blow dry as well. If we talk about the dryer, it has 2-in-1 use that can dry your hair as well as remove flyaways. However, I couldn't see a huge difference when it comes to flyaways when I used it on my hair. 2 things I want to point out is that it works better on damp hair and the temperature of this won't exceed over 150 degrees, so the hair damage is slightly lesser, but you will have to use a hairspray to keep your hair intact. So now it's time for the final verdict. When it comes to the design, the technology and ease of use, this is an amazing product. I used it and I found it to be very time saving for me, and also all my hairstyles looked very professional. But when it comes to the price point, it's very subjective. If you are someone who uses these tools on a daily basis, then it's a very good investment for you. But if you are someone who is not, then you might want to think about it. So this was all about the new Dyson Airwrap. For more such videos and unboxing and reviews, stay tuned with Zee Business.